Reprogram your mind and escape the matrix. You were taught not to dream big in your home, your school, or even religion. You believe that being humble is the way to go. But that's the programming to always live in fear, and you're still running it. Here's what nobody told you. You're not stuck because you're not trying hard enough. You're stuck because you're trying to escape the matrix with the mind that was created by the matrix. That's why the first step is to reprogram your mind. Every solution to any problem already lies within your mind. The moment you become aware of the power hidden within your mind and learn how to direct it, your life begins to change. Escaping the matrix requires self-discipline and awareness. Break free from lower patterns of thinking, fear, ego, distraction, and survival mode. Then grow into higher awareness through discipline, purpose, love, and alignment with God. In this higher awareness, manifestation happens rapidly with your intention and alignment. You don't have to be in control. You surrender to the flow, trusting that God is guiding your life even when you don't fully understand the process. Resistance to this flow creates energetic blockage that keeps you tied to the matrix. During my awakening journey, I struggled so hard to let go of my old identity and beliefs, but the moment I let it go, I was able to discover my purpose. God created you for a divine purpose. Strive to discover it and fulfill it. Everything you see today that makes life easier, including your cell phone, all started from the mind of a person. Secondly, you need to become aware of the power that lives within you. Your mind shapes the reality you experience daily, and your subconscious mind can reveal ideas, patterns, and insights beyond your normal awareness. Insights that can completely transform your life once you develop the habit of stillness, prayers, and meditation. Some of the greatest breakthroughs in life come in moments of silence, reflection, and deep awareness. Disconnect from your ego and connect with God. The Bible says, "Be still and know that I am the Lord." So learn to make decisions from wisdom and discernment, not your impulse and ego. Thirdly, you need to stop performing from the ego for the sake of competition, comparison, or validation. True abundance flows from alignment, not chasing. The need to chase is the scarcity mindset of the matrix. No matter what you have in your plate, always practice gratitude. Then try as much as possible to limit the consumption of fear-based media programs and negative stimuli, which can lower your mental and spiritual state. Be rooted in authenticity, faith, and value. Stop conforming to societal patterns, systems, and beliefs. When I started creating videos, a lot of friends laughed at me. Some even said I was turning into a pastor, but I didn't let it stop me. When your identity is clear, your purpose naturally aligns. Reprogram your subconscious mind by reciting these daily affirmations to declare your freedom. I am connected to the divine source. I am free from every illusion. God has not given me a spirit of fear. My mind is renewed daily. I am walking in purpose, clarity, and truth. Lastly, you need to shift from the mindset of separation to that of unity and balance. Make sure your purpose and mission are in service to humanity. Embody unconditional love and unity towards everyone. You have to understand helping others is helping yourself. Every being you come in contact with, the plants, the animals, the entire nature as a whole is connected to the divine source. For about 3 years now, I've always taken it upon myself to do outreaches, no matter how little, because that's what we're called to do as true believers. If you can utilize all the steps into your life, you start to notice a shift in your consciousness because your subconscious mind learns through repetition and awareness. The matrix is not out there, it's within you. If you need any guidance, let me know in the comments. Subscribe for daily reflections on healing purpose and spiritual growth. Peace and love.